How to request to join someone's TikTok live. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to request to join someone's TikTok live. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the TikTok app, let's first visit the App Store or the Play Store right here. I'm just going to open the App Store and let's search for TikTok. So what we're going to do is to make sure that our TikTok app is up to date. So just tap in TikTok over here. Now if it says open, that means that our TikTok is currently updated. If that says update, just tap on that. So you will be updating your TikTok app and you will have the latest features within the app, especially the feature of being able to request to join someone's TikTok live. Once you have made sure that your TikTok is up to date, let's just head on and open TikTok right here. And when you are from your profile page, make sure that you are currently at the home page. So just click on the home icon at the bottom left corner and you should be on the For You page or on the following page. So once you are here, let's just click on this live icon at the top left corner. So once you click on that, you should see random lives that are currently going on live on TikTok. So you can just scroll through right here and choose a live that you want to join to host a TikTok live. So actually this option is not available to all TikTok lives that you can see on TikTok. So it depends on the user if they have enabled the feature of letting someone request to join their live. So for example, for this one, they have enabled the feature to for someone to join their live. So you should see this multi-guest option right here, or the person icon that is in pink and blue. Just tap on that and you should see this window that says go live together and the host of this live. So what we're going to do to request to join their live is to click on the send audio request. So that user should be notified and that will be up to them if they want to accept your request and joining their live. So that is how you can basically request to join someone's TikTok live.
So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.